In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a density plot using ggplot2. To begin, we need to load our dataset in ggplot2, and that's the first 5 lines of code on the script available online. Next, lines 8 and 9 show you how to create the density plot, which should look very familiar if you already know how to create a histogram. To begin, we create our base layer where we input our dataset, which is Hollywood Movies 2011, as well as specify the mapping. Here, we're only needing to provide one variable, similar to a histogram. So we're going to specify the budget so that we'll produce a density plot of the Hollywood movie budgets. Then we'll add the geom density layer, and let's see what happens. So running this, we'll see that we have a density axis on the y-axis and a budget axis on the x-axis. We could, of course, add a x label that's a little bit different, saying that this is the budget in millions. Rerun just for something a little bit cleaner. Finally, think about what the density axis is. It's very different from counts in appearance, but not in spirit. What's happening with a density plot is that the total area under this curve is equal to 1. So you're scaling things so that that's true. With counts, the total area under this curve would not be 1. And that's really what's going on here that makes it different from a count axis. So remember that the total area under the curve is 1. Now, also remember that density plots are very good at exposing the shape of a distribution. And so I would really recommend using a histogram and density plot, and even combining the two throughout your exploratory data analysis of one quantitative variable.